How to fix Cash App won't let me deposit paper money. So if you want to deposit paper money, you have to go to the banking icon here in the bottom left and just select deposit paper money and find a nearby retailer. But what if it doesn't let you do that? So what we have to do is click on our profile icon in the top right, and then here scroll down until you see support. Click on support, and we will use the search bar to search for paper money, just like that. And you will see paper money deposit. Click on this first option that pops up, and then it's gonna show us this. So we can see all of the different deposit locations here. If we click on it, and then supported locations. So all of these are the supported locations. But if it still doesn't let you deposit paper money from either of those locations, we'll go back and select this option called experiencing an issue. So if you're experiencing an issue depositing paper money with a particular location, we need to click on contact support below. Be sure to provide the store's name, the address, and your issue, and we'll work with them directly to get this resolved. So click on chat here. Like I said, write the location, the store, and then explain that you can't deposit your paper money there, and Cash App support will get in touch with them and help you resolve the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.